we'll take a look at how to remove this minimal space. In ARCHICAD26, we're finding that the minimal space is turned on by default for many of the objects, especially the doors at this point. But later on, when you do go to add objects, you'll have that minimal space. Granted, there is a time and place that this is beneficial. Handicap toilets are one that come to mind, where I don't want to really build anything inside of that gray box. That's the space, like if I open the door, if I stand here to close the door, if I'm in front, like that's a place I don't want to put furniture or really anything else for that matter. But in terms of layout, it really makes it look bad. I don't have any other real good term for it. But this can be removed. If we ever need to turn it back on, we can. We can do it for individual components. But for right now, my first level class, I'd say let's turn this off. So, to do so, I have to go to Documents. And this will be once and done. Once you do this the first time, you won't have to do it again until you want to turn it back on. So Documents, Model View Options. In order to find this, if I turn on this or expand this list of miscellaneous settings for library parts, right here, I find this check mark for minimal space for doors and objects. I want to deselect this checkbox. And I will notice when I go back here into my workspace in the graphics area that this will, all those marks will go away. I'm just going to hit OK. And if I put a new object or I put a new door in, whatever the case may be, I don't have that minimal space showing up. Same thing for objects. If I choose another object, I'm not getting that minimal space around it. Okay, so turning off your minimal space in ARCHICAD 26.